Hello everybody, today what we's gonna be doing is we's gonna be making a vending machine. Yes, we's gonna be making a vending machine. And how we gonna do that is we's gonna need some things to make it. So the first step is to get a block. It could be any kind of block you want it to be. Only on your choice how you want it to be, any block. Next step, you will need a designator or a dispenser, a dispenser. You is going to need a button or lever, either one. I prefer using a button because it's much more better instead of keep flicking the lever to get what kind of drink you want. Well, we're making a vending machine, and we also will be making a soda machine. So we're making those two. We're gonna need the same exact stuff for that, except the stuff that we're gonna put is different. And pretty sure that's all you will need. Okay, so now what you do is get your wood planks. However much things you're gonna have in your vending machine is how long it should be. Okay? And I think mine might be a little bit too high. I don't know, we'll see. I might make it lower. But next step is what you add the destinators or dispensers, Keep saying destinators. We need crouch to put. You have to crouch to place destinators on top of each other, or else it won't let you press it. But when you press it, it'll go to that. Now what you see here, when I put the buttons down, it can't control the middle parts. So what you do is you have to delete the middle. And if you still want to have more in your vending machine, what you're going to have to do is make this a little bit wider. So I'm just going to add wood planks. I think this is all I'm going to make my vending machine. So you would do that. And you would get the buttons put each button right beside a wood. So you would look and see which one is this controlling. We'll put these down. We'll delete the middle part. Okay. Alright. Now you have that. We can go ahead and put all of this back. And now you see our vending machine is done. Now what you have to do is put stuff in them. So you see I have 6 dispensers. So I need 6 kinds of food. And then the next round we will turn this into a soda machine. But first we need some food to put in here. And I'm just going to put random food in here. And I need 6 because that's how much I have. That's how much dispensers I have. So right now I have 5, 1 more, 6. What would you go on your dispenser? Place them. You can spread them out if you want. Or you can just place them down in the middle. Or however you want to place them down. That's where you place them at. Then once you're done placing your foods and stuff, all you have to do is click on a button. And maybe in the middle, it will have I have nothing to do. I do mean make the trial. But what you were supposed to, I was supposed to make signs, and you're supposed to put them right next to each other, what stuff it is. But just bad we didn't do it. Then you press on button, and then it'll give you that food that you want. Now we will take the foods out, and just turn this into a soda machine. And the way to make sodas is pretty easy. All you need is bottles. Let me get this stuff. Okay, now we have to put all that stuff back. This will not be a long video, but after we make soda machine and vending machine, we will do one more thing, which I'm not going to tell you yet, and then that'll be the end of the video. But now we need to come down here, and you see all of these stuff here. We have water bottle, potion. We have all these potions. Poison of poison. All you need is a glass bottle, or you can make this faster instead of, unless you're in creative, you can just get the water bottles. I need 6 water bottles. Okay. Now I need an anvil and a anvil. That's not a name tag. I was about to say name tag. But we just need an anvil. So I get an anvil. And that's what you're going to need. And what you do, you press down the anvil. Go on the anvil. Put whatever your water bottle in. And then what you would do is put what you want the soda to be. Do that. And look, I will have a cola. Now you can put effects on it, what you want the stuff to do. So I'll put the cola in there. And once you put some in there, press the button. As you know, it will come out and you will drink it. And then that's how you do a vending machine. And now this video will be short like the last one. I saw that some of you guys had watched it, but maybe you have forgot, or you didn't want to, you didn't have to. Did not press the subscribe button. But anyways, I'm just starting, so we will see if this video will get more subscribers than the last one. Unless people is watching the other video right now, subscribing and all of that. And the more subscribers we get, the more better the video can be, and we can have long, and then we can have bigger stuff going on. One more thing that I'll show you before we end this video, that a lot of you know that you can fly with the Elytra, and you can use the trident at people. If you know what the fishing rod does, you can get some fish, you can hook stuff with it. You know what a clock does, if it's here daytime, you know what a compass does. But here's something. Have you seen a Dense episode of Aquatic Adventures, which I'm not going to tell you yet, about channeling? Well, if you have, good. So you might be noticing what I'm doing. We're going to need the trident, and we're going to be attempting the trident to channeling. Now, sometimes channeling don't work. There's one time I tested out, it did not work. But I don't know if I was doing it wrong. I know you need thunder or rain for it to do it, and you need a target. So we're just going to get a villager. You have your villager, and now what you do, you need an anvil too, but I already have an anvil, so y'all don't need to get one. You need to put this down, put that down. Then you get a chanting trident. You can change the name of the trident, however you want it. I'm just gonna call it Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm not sick or nothing. I'm okay. This is a big cough. And you should try it. As you know, the channeling is not working. Well, I seen a Dennis video of Clark Adventures. He had it thundering and raining, so that's what we're gonna have. And we are wardrobe. And we'll see if this works. We got fun in the middle. Shoot it at any mob, and it will right, it will shock them. This is an achievement, but I don't have my achievement. Hey, stop it, I don't want to play with you. For doing that so much time, I will shadow you. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this as much as I do, and I will see you in the next